Welcome to Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. Yes, on my screen right now, you can see it's the official Trump token. Yes, this is a project that was launched by the president-elect Donald Trump, which is going to be inaugurated today in some few hours to come as the president-elect of United States of America. And you can see the token, you might be hearing a lot of news frenzy things about the token, rose from $17 when it was launched on ByBit to a figure of $80 and drop back to $40. Now it's trading at $56 as you're watching the show right now. Thanks for joining me this morning, and my name still remains the same. I'm Oladmeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. And you know, on this show, this is where you get the latest news regarding cryptocurrency trading and investment. Also, this is where you know the event of the day. Only on this show you're going to know the fear index and what it means. Also, only on this show we analyze the chart and know what we need to do with our openings or our buys in any project that we're in. Only on this show we're still going to take a look at the market cap. And you know, this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. Thanks for joining me once again. But if you're not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. Subscribe, like, and share. Let's push this channel to 10,000 guys. Also, follow me on Facebook. You can follow me on X to get more news as I drop it out of the space. You can follow me on Instagram, excuse me, as well. And also, you can follow me on TikTok to get all the nugget I'll be dropping for you guys. All right, that's that on it. Let's dive into what we are meant to do today on the show. You all know what we do on the show. It's all about giving value. All right, first of all, what we're going to go through is checking the news, and we're going to look at Bitcoin first of all. Excuse me. And when you look at Bitcoin price skyrocketed to new all-time high hours ahead of Trump inauguration. That's true. You can see, if you look at the chart right now, we broke the old highs and now we have the new all-time high at about 110,000 US dollars. So BTC skyrocketed to new all-time highs hours ahead of Trump's inauguration. That's nice. Also, you can see read that poll that says we should buy more BTC, and that's true. I told you guys, buy more BTC. All right, let's check more news on the radar, and this one is Trump and Millennium meme coins spark outrage from crypto community. Yes, we all know Millennia also launched our own meme coin, and that happened to make Trump family meme coin fiasco triggers about 1.1 billion in crypto liquidation, because everybody was on this Trump coin. Everybody was on this one when it was at rising to 80-70 US dollars. I keep getting calls from everywhere. Casey the Great, should we buy now? And all of that. I was like, excuse me. I was like, yes, we are going to join the bandwagon. But if you miss it, from $7, you need to wait. I'm going to tell you where you need to get it, and we're going to do that today. And now that has been causing a lot of things. And when Millennia token was launched, about 1.1 billion US dollar in crypto liquidation happened, which means some of the traders sold their gains on Trump token to buy Millennia because they believe it's going to rise as well, and that led to 1.1 billion crypto liquidation. Also, we now know that Millennia token leads to a major drop in Trump's value. You understand? And now Trump meme coin rebound to over $60 after Robin Hood listing it. We all know what happened. I told you the price you're seeing here, the market first stand to about $40, but because it was not listed on Robinhood, it gained another recognition or got people attention again, and now it's trading at 57.85 presently as I speak to you. All right, more news on the radar, and this is now talking about Donald Trump coin indirectly, and this is coming from Balaji Srinivasan. Compares meme coin to gambling, emphasizes lack of wealth creation. And I will agree with you, this meme coin, you do not need to get caught in it. Please, you need to trade with the amount you can afford to lose. And remember, you need to do your own research. And this is not financial advice or anything, by the way. It's just for educational purpose and entertainment. So you need to be careful when you are just jumping into all this bandwagon, because Trump is a billionaire. What if Trump bought a lot of his own coin just to shoot it up, get people to buy it and dump it? Anything can happen. I am not saying that is what he is doing, but I'm saying we need to be careful when new token and all of that are being launched. And what do we need to do? We need to what? Watch the chart, see what is going on, and see if we can partake in it, take profit and make a fortune. Or if you believe the meme coin is going to hold Trump because of the president-elect is going to be in power for the next 4 years, we might want to hold on to it, but make sure you do your own research before you invest in any token or any project, because crypto is risky. All right, that's that on the bash from Balaji saying meme coins is like gambling, which I totally agree with him. Now let's move to another news, and this is still about the president-elect, because today is his day. They're going to swear him in, and is going to be inaugurated as the president-elect of the United States of America. And we all know he's a pro-crypto, and we don't even need to argue again. He now has his own coin. The wife has her own coin as well. So that says everything. Oh, but now let's check what happened with Trump again on this news. Millions worth of Ethereum purchased by World Liberty Financial amid amid Trump family meme coin spree. We all know this is World Liberty Financial. They bought Solana at some point and bought, I think, Litecoin, Link, Chainlink, and all of that. Now they purchased more worth of Ethereum. And is that now doing anything in the market? Hell no. You can see Donald Trump's Ethereum buying spree does little for ETH price. It doesn't do a lot for it. So don't be thinking, oh, Donald Trump is doing this, that one is doing that. Please do your own research, trade with the amount you can afford to lose, and subscribe to a channel like this when you get good and value information. Now, speaking of altcoin, let's jump into the next one. This is Solana. And Solana bags record daily fee of 35 million US dollars amid Trump meme coin frenzy. Also still on Solana, this one is Solana TVL crosses 110 billion US dollar for the first time since FTX collapsed after Trump meme coin launch. More news on the radar. This is still about Donald Trump, because I told you today is all about the president-elect that is going to be inaugurated in some hours now. And this one is Trump focus on US Bitcoin mining dominance, risk, centralization, and that is true. More news, and this one is coming from Coinbase. Coinbase plans for 200 and I don't know. I'm calling 200 or something. This is a thing because I'm making so much money. All right, I'm joking. We're all gonna make money together. Coinbase base plans for 25 million users and 100 billion US dollar in asset by 2025. And another news I'm going to share for you, and this one is coming from Italy. An Italian lawmaker urges banking foundation Italy to invest in Bitcoin. That's great news if you must agree with me. All right, let's check another some other headlines before we write out. And this one is Cardano sleeps a healthy correction. XRP price holds strong. Ethereum price faces another rejection. Bitcoin price stays above 100K. All right, guys, that's what I have for you on the news today. We all know this coin is doing the most, and we're going to check the chart out to see what we need to do. All right, let's dive into the event of today. And you can see today is Monday. Of course, no great event happening today except some semi-important news are happening today, and that one is in CN1 is done already. So we just need to follow the trend of what is going on with the charts today. We don't need to panic. No major event, but you all know the real thing is going to be Trump being sworn in as the president and is going to take office immediately from today. And you can see that already is making all the crypto jump up, and you can see all of them are in green. But we're going to check the chart shortly to know if we need to jump in as well. All right, let's check what the market cap looks like. And you can see we are now close to my $4 trillion celebration. I told you we're going to do that, and it's about to happen. Now we're sitting at 3.8 trillion cryptocurrency market cap, with BTC above 2 trillion That's great news, guys. I'm so happy because I can't wait to celebrate with you guys with the 4 trillion All right, guys, let's check the top 20 coin. Now we have new guys in the house, and you should all know what that is all about, because Trump token is now among the top 20. Let's take a look. Number 1, of course, is Bitcoin. Number 2 is Ethereum. Number 3 is XRP. Now 4 now is Theta, which is USDT, a stable coin. Solana now made it to number 5. BNB at number 6. Dogecoin at number 7. USDC is sitting at number 8. Cardano at number 9. Lido Stake at number 10. Tron at number 11, Chainlink at number 12, Avalanche at number 13, Sui at number 15, Edera now moved from 20 to 16, Wrap BTC at 17, Wrap ETH at 18, Toncoin at 19, and Shiba Inu now is at number 20, and Trump coin is now down to 21. They pushed the coin out of top 20. Why, guys? What is going on? But don't worry, the coin just launched on the 18th and is doing great. So do we need to buy? We're going to talk about the chart analysis shortly, and we're going to know what we need to do. But Trump coin is now sitting at number 21, below Shiba Inu, with a market cap of 11 billion and more than 38 billion traded in the last 24 hours. And talking about Millennia, where is Millennia on the radar? Let's quickly check that. Millennia is sitting at Millennia coin is sitting at number 70 something. Oh, number 82. You can see Millennia coin is sitting at number 82. So if you're interested in knowing top 100 or top 1000 coin, you might want to check coingecko.com out and check what is going on with all of them. Excuse me. All right, and you can see even on the radar we have husband and wife meme coin trending. Trump and Millennia meme coins, both of them are trending. Solana too is trending because it's launched on Solana, and you can see the top gainers also on the radar. All right, having known all this information, let's now dive into what you guys are waiting for, and that is the chart analysis. Now we are going to start first of all today with the Trump coin. Let's check out the Trump coin and see if you need to get into it right now. I'm going to use ByBit. Where is ByBit? I'm going to use ByBit for you guys so we can have the clear understanding of the coin. It's launched on ByBit, but I can't see it here yet. Okay, let me use Mexi. Mexi is one of the meme coin movement, kind of. So let's try Mexi and see if we can use that to analyze the coin. I would have loved to use ByBit because it's listed on ByBit, but I don't know, probably it's down the line. But let's use Mexi or Gate.io if you agree with me. Right now, look at the coin right now. Let us take a look at the coin right now. Where is it? Yeah, is it not coming? Okay, I can see it right here. Delete. I think what I'll do is let me remove one of the altcoin here. Let me delete one so we can add it to it, since a lot of people really want to know what is going on with the coin. All right, now you can see yesterday the coin was launched, not yesterday, the day before yesterday, excuse me. The coin was launched on the 18th and now skyrocketed and retraced and is moving back. So when you look at this, is it a buy? Yes, it's a buy. You see, this is entry right there. Even though you missed the entry, that is entry the second day. That is where you need to get on the Trump token. So right now, it's still a buy. So where do you need to get out of Trump token if it's failing? It has to be at that spot. So you can still get into Trump token right now. But mind you, if it's crossing below $24, you need to get out of the market. But right now, Trump token is still a buy. Trump token is still a buy, guys. So if you're really interested in it and you want to buy it, you might want to get into the token. But Trump token is still a buy. So I haven't done that. Let's now go back to the way we normally analyze our chart. And now this one is BTC. Is BTC a buy? Yes, BTC has been a buy since last week. I told you can see it didn't hit our stop loss. Move ahead again, didn't hit our stop loss. So now we have our stop loss to be around 99K thereabout. So BTC is still a buy. BTC is still a buy. Let's check out Ethereum out. ETH. ETH was a buy, come down, go up, invalidate the movement. So now ETH, stay away from ETH. Don't buy ETH yet. We need ETH to cross. We need ETH to cross this. So when you can buy ETH is if ETH cross above 3,458, you can get into ETH. Let's check out SUI. SUI, the same thing. You can't buy SUI right now. You need to buy SUI if you cross above $5. That's when you need to buy SUI, and you put your stop loss right there. Let's take a look at XRP. XRP has been a buy. It's just avoiding the stop loss, and now it has this the stop loss. So what we need to do is XRP is going to become a buy again. Excuse me, if we go above $3.3. Let's take a look at AVAX. AVAX is not a buy yet. Please stay out of it. We need to break above $40 before you can get into AVAX. Let us take a look at this. This is a buy, and it didn't hit the stop loss here, so you can still leave it. This is a buy, but the stop loss has changed. You can move the stop loss down to the entry. That is AAV. Let's take a look at Solana. Solana is still a buy, of course. Trump coin is pushing. Millennial coin is pushing. Definitely, it's still a buy. But now we need to change the stop loss to this spot. Yeah, now let's take a look at ADA. ADA is not a buy yet. Please, you can buy ADA if ADA should cross above 1.1 US dollar. Let's take a look at TON. TON coin is not a buy of any form. So let's see if it's going to cross above $5.3, then you can get into the market. Now let's check the meme coin. Now we've checked Trump coin. Now I told you it's still a buy. Now Dogecoin, is Dogecoin a buy? Not yet. Dogecoin will be a buy if it crosses above 0.40. What about Shiba Inu? not yet as well. Shiba Inu will be a buy if it cross above 0.2. Let's take a look at Pepe. Pepe is not a buy yet, so we need to stay away from Pepe except we cross above 0.000018. Excuse me. Let's take a look at Ondo. Ondo is a buy, but now we need to move our stop loss. Move your stop loss for Ondo to 1.27. Let's take a look at X. X is not a buy, just stay away from X as well. Stay away from X as well. Excuse me. Let's take a look at Notcoin. Notcoin is not a buy, stay away from Notcoin as well. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. Dogs. Dogs is not a buy, stay away from dogs as well. Let's take a look at Nero. Nero is not a buy, except we cross that line that I put the green, stay away from it. Let's take a look at Deep. Deep is a buy and it's still a buy, but you can put your stop loss right there. Let's take a look at RSR. RSR is not a buy. You can just put the entry right there at 0.015. Let's take a look at Popcat. Popcat keeps falling, is not a buy at all, except Popcat can push a green button to go above 0.6. Let us take a look at Rose. Rose is not a buy as well, except it's going to cross above 0.08. Let's take a look at CKB. CKB also is not a buy. Let's take a look at Trump. Trump is a buy, and that is the stop loss. Trump is a buy, and that is the stop loss. Let's take a look at let's add Milani coin as well. Let's do that. Let's do Melania coin. Let's add this. I don't know if it's already on this. Let's see. Yeah, it's on ByBit. Let's add it up. So let's check. Let's see what is going on with the Melania coin. You can see it's launched and it skyrocketed up to $12. Now it's pulling back. You can see Melania coin is pulling back. So our advice with this coin, we don't need to buy. Let's wait for a day candle to finish first before we jump into it. So for the Melania coin, please stay away from it. So that's on the chart analysis, guys. That's on the chart analysis. Let's check the fear and greed index out, and you can see the fear and greed index today is sitting at extreme greed. So we're going to be expecting a lot of volatility, and you know the president of the United States is going to be swearing today, so expect a lot of volatility. Make sure you trade carefully. So yeah, now is extreme greed. Yesterday extreme greed, last week greed, last month greed. All right, thanks for joining me on the show. If you're still watching till now and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell. Follow me on Facebook, on X to get a lot of news out of the space, on Instagram and on TikTok for more nuggets while we trade. And we can still see that our BTC is still moving at the right direction with price trading at 108,000. All right, thanks for joining me on the show today. It's wonderful having you on the show. Until I catch you tomorrow on another wonderful packed episode of this great show, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. I still remain my humble self, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. Make sure you trade carefully, trade with the money you can afford to lose. This is not financial advice or any sort of monetary, whatever. This is just for education and entertainment purpose. Make sure you do your own research. Trade with the money you can afford to lose, but with my years of experience in the game, I have been right more than 90 to 95%. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.